Niçoise salad. Just the name evokes images of the French Riviera, sun-drenched beaches, azure waters, and a vibrant culinary tradition. This salad, hailing from the city of Nice, is more than just a dish. It's a taste of history, a celebration of fresh local ingredients, and a testament to the simple beauty of Mediterranean cuisine. This isn't your average leafy green salad. Niçoise salad is a composed dish, each ingredient carefully chosen and arranged. It's a symphony of textures and flavors, a testament to the region's bounty. Let's delve into the history of this iconic salad and discover what makes it so special. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious content. At its heart, Niçoise salad is a celebration of simplicity. Fresh, seasonal ingredients take center stage. Ripe tomatoes bursting with flavor, briny olives adding a touch of saltiness, hard-boiled eggs providing a creamy richness. And of course the star of the show, tuna, preferably preserved in olive oil. These core ingredients are essential to any authentic Niçoise salad. They represent the flavors of the Mediterranean, the essence of Nice itself. But as with any dish steeped in tradition, there are variations. Debates rage about what constitutes a true Niçoise salad. Some purists insist on specific types of tomatoes or olives. Others argue over the inclusion of potatoes or green beans. Niçoise salad is more than just a dish in Nice. It's a source of local pride, a symbol of the city's culinary heritage. Generations have grown up enjoying this salad. It's a staple on family tables and in local restaurants. The salad is deeply intertwined with the identity of Nice. It embodies the city's connection to the sea, its reliance on fresh produce, and its appreciation for simple, flavorful food. To understand Niçoise salad is to understand Nice itself. It's a taste of the region's history, culture, and way of life. The origins of Niçoise salad are humble. It began as a simple fisherman's dish, a way to use up the day's catch and whatever fresh vegetables were on hand. But over time, this humble salad evolved. It found its way onto the menus of upscale restaurants. Chefs began to experiment with different ingredients and presentations. Despite its elevation to haute cuisine, the heart of Niçoise salad remains the same. It's still about showcasing the best of seasonal ingredients. The flavors of the Mediterranean still shine through, but the evolution of the salad demonstrates its versatility. It can be a simple, rustic dish or a refined, elegant creation. As Niçoise salad gained popularity, the debate over its authenticity intensified. This classic French dish, originating from the city of Nice, has become a symbol of culinary tradition and pride. Purists argue that certain ingredients are non-negotiable. They believe that the integrity of the dish relies on its adherence to traditional components. Tuna, tomatoes, olives, hard-boiled eggs, these are the essentials. Anything else is sacrilege. For them, the inclusion of these ingredients is what makes the salad truly Niçoise. Others are more flexible, embracing variations and modern interpretations. They argue that cuisine should evolve and adapt to contemporary tastes and available ingredients. The inclusion of potatoes is a common point of contention. Traditionalists argue that potatoes were never part of the original recipe. Some argue they weren't part of the original recipe, citing historical cookbooks and old recipes as evidence. Others insist they add a welcome heartiness to the salad, making it more filling and satisfying. The type of tuna is another subject of debate. Canned tuna is acceptable to some, but fresh, grilled tuna is considered superior by others. They believe that the quality and flavor of fresh tuna elevate the dish to new heights. The debate over the true Niçoise salad is likely to continue. Food critics, chefs, and home cooks all have their own opinions and preferences. But ultimately, the best version is the one you enjoy the most. Whether you prefer the traditional recipe or a modern twist, the essence of Niçoise salad lies in its fresh, vibrant ingredients and the joy it brings to the table. The Niçoise salad, a classic dish originating from the French Riviera, has been a canvas for culinary creativity for decades. Over the years, many renowned chefs have put their own spin on Niçoise salad. Each chef brings their unique perspective and culinary philosophy to this timeless dish, creating versions that reflect their personal style and the era they cook in. Julia Child famously included a recipe in her seminal cookbook, Mastering the Art of French Cooking. Her approach was both respectful of tradition and innovative, making French cuisine accessible to American home cooks. Her version, while staying true to the classic ingredients, showcased her meticulous approach to technique. She emphasized the importance of fresh, high-quality ingredients and careful preparation, which became hallmarks of her cooking style. Other culinary giants like Thomas Keller and Alain Ducasse have also offered their interpretations. Each has brought something unique to the table, reflecting their own culinary journeys and philosophies. Keller's version is known for its refined plating and emphasis on seasonality. He often incorporates the freshest ingredients available, ensuring that each element of the salad is at its peak flavor. Ducasse often incorporates luxurious ingredients like lobster or foie gras. His approach elevates the Niçoise salad to a level of sophistication and indulgence, making it a true fine dining experience. These chefs, while respecting the tradition of Niçoise salad, have elevated it to new heights, demonstrating its versatility and enduring appeal. Their interpretations show that even a simple salad can be a masterpiece, reflecting the creativity and passion of the chefs who prepare it. The Niçoise salad continues to inspire and delight, proving that classic dishes can evolve and remain relevant in the ever-changing world of cuisine. Niçoise salad's fame has spread far beyond the borders of France. It's now enjoyed in restaurants and homes around the world. Its popularity can be attributed to its fresh, flavorful ingredients, its versatility, and its association with the glamour of the French Riviera. From bustling bistros in New York City to beachside cafes in Sydney, Niçoise salad has found a home in diverse culinary landscapes. Its adaptability has allowed it to be embraced by different cultures and palates. The salad's journey from a humble fisherman's dish to a global culinary icon is a testament to its enduring appeal. As Niçoise salad continues to captivate diners worldwide, chefs continue to experiment with new and innovative variations. Some modern interpretations incorporate ingredients like grilled shrimp, avocado, or artichoke hearts. Others play with different dressings, moving away from the traditional vinaigrette. These variations, while departing from tradition, demonstrate the adaptability of Niçoise salad. They allow chefs to showcase their creativity while still paying homage to the classic dish. Whether you prefer the traditional version or a more modern interpretation, there's a Niçoise salad out there for everyone. What is it about Niçoise salad that continues to captivate diners after all these years? Is it the vibrant medley of fresh ingredients that come together in perfect harmony? Perhaps it's the perfect balance of flavors and textures? Each bite offers a new experience, a new combination of tastes and sensations. The richness of the tuna contrasts beautifully with the acidity of the tomatoes. This interplay creates a delightful dance on the palate. The brininess of the olives adds a salty counterpoint to the creamy eggs. It's a balance that keeps you coming back for more. Or maybe it's the salad's versatility. It can be customized to suit any taste or occasion, making it a favorite for many. It can be a light lunch, a satisfying dinner, or a sophisticated starter. The adaptability of Niçoise salad is truly remarkable. It can be served family-style or plated individually. This flexibility makes it perfect for both casual and formal dining experiences. Whatever the reason, Niçoise salad remains a timeless classic. Its enduring appeal lies in its ability to evolve while staying true to its roots. A dish that continues to delight and inspire food lovers around the world. From home kitchens to gourmet restaurants, Niçoise salad is a celebration of culinary artistry. While Niçoise salad is traditionally associated with summer, it can be enjoyed year-round. In the colder months, try using canned or jarred tuna packed in olive oil. Look for tomatoes with good flavor, even if they're not at their peak season. You can also incorporate seasonal vegetables into your salad. Roasted root vegetables like beets and carrots add sweetness and depth of flavor. Winter greens like kale or spinach can stand in for lettuce. With a little creativity, you can enjoy a taste of the Mediterranean no matter the season. Niçoise salad is more than just a dish. It's a culinary legacy, a symbol of the French Riviera's rich culinary heritage. From its humble beginnings as a fisherman's meal to its status as a global culinary icon, this salad has come a long way. Whether you enjoy it in a Michelin-starred restaurant or recreate it in your own kitchen, take a moment to appreciate the history and tradition behind each bite. Niçoise salad is a reminder that sometimes the simplest dishes are the most delicious. It's a celebration of fresh, flavorful ingredients and the enduring allure of Mediterranean cuisine.